Okay, welcome back for our class for week module number 3. For our last module for our prelim, so our topic is about circular permutation of n things. So far, we have discussed permutation of objects or things in a row. So sa atong last topics. So this type of permutation is generally known as linear permutations. If we arrange the objects along a closed curve, so example, a circle, so the permutation are known as circular permutations. So very sa klaro no sa atong ngalan from the word circular, so therefore circle. As we have seen in the earlier sections of this chapter that every linear arrangement has a beginning and an end. But there is nothing like a beginning or an end sa tuang circular permutation. So in a circular permutation, we consider one object as fixed and the remaining objects are arranged in case of a linear arrangements. So we have here our diagram for circular permutations. So example, in a circle, so we have giingon natay one object nga fix. So therefore, considered na siya as one way. And the remaining objects nato sa toang circle is arranged in a linear arrangements. So therefore, we have n minus 1 factorial ways. So to summarize, for our formula for circular permutation, we have n is equal to n minus 1 factorial. So take note, in a round table, one person shall be the reference. So that's why we have here kaning one way and should be sitting permanently, while the others can transfer into different seats. So take note ha sa ato ang circular permutation. So in circular permutation, anti-clockwise and clockwise order or arrangements are considered as distinct permutations. So let's have an example for circular permutation. In how many ways can 7 Australians sit down at a round table? So klaro na no, naghatag na siya sa problem of round table. So therefore, circular permutation ato ang gamiton nga formula. So giingon sa problem na ay 7 ka Australians sit down. So therefore, write nato Australian can take their seat at the round table. So formula for circular, we have n is equal n minus 1 factorial. So atong n is 7. So we have 7 minus 1 factorial is 6 factorial, or sa atong calcu we have 720 ways. So therefore, 720 ways is our final answer. And another example, so for example number 2, a group of 6 people are to be arranged at a circular table. In how many ways can be this done? So giingon sa problem, circular table, therefore circular permutation. So giingon na daw group of 6 people are to be arranged. So if mag-drawing ta og table, butang na to table niya, balag mouth drawing si ma'am. So naa daw unom ka buok. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 na daw 6 people. So therefore kani mo na to ang permanently. So mo na siya tong one way. And our n minus 1 factorial. So giingon our n is a group of 6 people. So solving for many ways sa atong circular permutation, n minus 1 factorial. So 6 minus 1 will be 5 factorial ways, or sa atong calcu we have 120 ways. So therefore this is our final answer for this example number 2. So very easy lang, no, since formula. So memorize for the formula. And another example, number 3. In how many orders can a party of 3 girls and 3 boys be placed at a round table so that boys and girls alternate? So kani murag lisod-lisod ni dapat i-analyze nato. So giingon sa problem, so take note that assume nato giingon man na dapat alternate daw, so boys and girls. So assume nato na nay isa ka boy, one boy will sit permanently. So mo na tong fix. Mo na to ang reference. So ang boy ang ato ang reference. So the other 2 boys will have 2 factorial ways to sit. Since naman na minusan naman nato sa to ang reference, so therefore 2 factorial na lang. And the 3 girls, so 3 girls will have 3 factorial ways to sit. So na-analyze na nato ang problem. So after na to ma-analyze, pwede na to i-draw para mas masabtan. So we have here a round table daw. Then nag-reference taog boy. So therefore boy na siya. So giingon sa problem dapat boys and girls alternate. So basta alternate, so dapat next na to will be girl, next boy, girl, and next we have boy, lastly we have girl. So to solve for our circular permutation, we have giingon na ay 3 factorial ways ang girls and na ay 2 factorial ways ang boys. So therefore our answer will be 12 ways. So na ay 12 ways sa tuwang 3 girls and 3 boys na alternate sila sa isa ka round table. So this is our final answer. So let's have circular permutation of n keys in a ring. So kani given lang na ay word nga keys in a ring. So ang formula niya na siya ay 1/2 n minus 1 factorial. So let's have an example. In how many different orders can 6 keys be placed on a key ring? So mailhan nato since naghatag siya sa problem. Kaning ato ang word nga key ring. So n will be formula na to 1/2 n minus 1 factorial. So sa atong problem naghatag man siya n nga 6 keys na given. So substitute, we have 1/2. 6 minus 1 factorial. So our n will be 60 ways. This is our final answer for circular permutation of n keys on a ring. So let's have our last topic for module number 3 in our prelim. So combination. So humana naman ta sa permutation. So let's proceed sa combination. So combination is an arrangement of a sets of objects without a specific pattern and or order. So klaro, no? Unsay ilang kalahian sa permutation. So a combination is a grouping or selection of all or part of a number of things without reference to the arrangement of the things selected. So combination of 3 letters A, B, C taken 2 at a time are, so example, A, B, A, C, and B, C. Note that A, B, and B, A are one combination but 2 permutations of the letters A and B. So muna example for kalahian sa combination of permutation. The symbol NCR represents the number of combination for selections or groups. So kanang NCR, pwede na to siya makita sa to ang calcu for shortcut. So kani example 9C4 denotes the number of combination 9 different things taken 4 at a time. So sa tong calcu makita siya. So ang shortcut niya is shift. So shortcut for NCR in calcu. So we have shift divided by, so mani siya ang shortcut sa calcu nato. So practice mo. So let's have an example for combination. So formula for combination of n things taken r at a time. So we have here NCR is equal to n factorial divided by n minus r factorial or multiply sa tong r factorial or NCN. So we have here how many ways are there to choose 5 basketball players from the 9 people on time. So take note sa ato ang problem. Now there is no, wala tay specific pattern nga gihatag kay at a time raman, on a time rather, or order needed. So simply you need to pick 5 people daw, 5 basketball players from a group of 9 people. So money siya. Therefore this is a, since walay pattern, so considered as combination concept. So take note ha. Mani ang combination concept. So to solve for our n, so n is equal to, pwede ta mo gamit aning NCN since 9 people daw mo pick ta og 5 ka basketball player. So therefore 9C5. So sa tong calcu ma-solve na siya. So natay shortcut. So our answer will be 126 ways para makapili ta og 5 ka basketball player out of 9 people. So this is our final answer. So more on analysis ni siya ha. Since klaro man sa tong subject, no, engineering data and analysis. So dapat kabalutan mo sabot or mo analyze ato ang problem. So last example for combination. So for our prelim. So in how many groups of 3 red dresses and 2 black ones can be chosen from 12 red and 8 black dresses? So wala siya pattern. So therefore, combination concept. So sa atong problem, naghatag siya. So we have here 3 red dresses out of 12 red. So therefore, our N1 will be, so out of 12, so dapat mo choose ta og 3 ka red dresses. So therefore, 12 C3. And for our N2, we have 2 black ones out of 8 black dresses. So 8 mo choose ta og 2 kabuok nga black dresses. So pwede na nato ma-solve ang ato ang combination. So N is equal to, multiply lang, 12C3 multiply sa atong 8C2. So our final answer will be, so calculator, we have 6,160 ways para sa ato ang question number 2. So this is our final answer. So nasabtan ra no, wala ray laing pangutana. So if you have any question, you can comment sa Google Classroom para matubag ni ma'am. So that would be all for our prelim topic. So I hope you learn and study for your upcoming exam. So thank you and good luck.